greatest of all time.
Yo, hello and good morning. This is Ryan McKellar. I don't even know if I should say my last name, but yeah, this is Ryan with the Lamp Into the Streets Mobile Auto Repair. I am the owner operator of this mobile repair service. I'm just doing a quick little video, sort of an introduction to this YouTube channel. Essentially, I'm just going to be taking you guys along on my day-to-day routine, my day-to-day dealings in the business. You'll be watching me do repairs. You'll be watching me do maybe some interactions with customers, possibly. That's if they feel comfortable with me recording. Again, I live in North Idaho, so you know, there may be some people who are just like, they're not with it, especially after everything that's happened with you know, the internet and things like that, censorship and all the other BS that has taken place. Excuse my French, but yeah, there's a lot of people who aren't happy about how big tech has run amok in our country. So some people may not want me to be recording them or where they're at, their homes, their vehicles, what have you. You know, they may not want that. So, but yeah, I will be recording myself driving from different locations. It's winter time, so it's also not super busy either. Summertime, springtime, fall, that's when I stay the busiest. That's when I stay the busiest. So got some stuff going on here. I don't know what that's about. Got a little bit of flickering going on there. Body control module down there doing something funny. But yeah, kind of getting off topic a little bit, but yeah, the channel is going to be, you know, the day in the life of a mobile auto mechanic here in Coeur d'Alene. My day-to-day, what I do, how I operate, just how I get things done, you know. How I get things done, getting my lunch. You know, can't go out there working without no food in my belly, you know. So, just how I get things done. I'm probably gonna redo this, maybe snip in some of this stuff, but yeah, I want this video to be as raw as possible. Don't want to be heavily edited. You know, I see a lot of these guys, you know, they make their videos a huge production and stuff like that. So it doesn't need to be like that. I don't want it to be like that. One, that's too much work. Two, it doesn't seem as authentic. You know, on top of that, it's like, use this as a means and opportunity to talk about my faith. You know, talk about Jesus, you know, because, sorry about that, he is the reason. He's the only reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, why I have this trailer, why I have the truck that I have, why I have all the tools. See, got a lot of stuff in here, a lot of stuff. No, he's blessed. He's blessed his business in a major way. I mean, again, it's nothing fancy in here, you know. Again, it's a work trailer, hauling tools and some equipment. It's nothing crazy, but I'm also not gonna downplay and say like, yeah, it's like that. It's not like amazing. It is. It's a blessing. So this is gonna be a channel where you get to watch me in the journey of this business and the growth of this business. Been here in Idaho doing this for 2 years. Was in Texas, Prosper, Texas, doing this as well for about a year, and it was doing well. It was going in a positive trend. Was busy. Only after like maybe 4 or 5 months of not having any work, thing just picked up. It just kind of took off, and it was the same thing here. So now I've established a decent clientele of repeat customers, and I always got new people calling. So it's a blessing. This is truly a blessing. The Lord has opened this door, and I definitely didn't deserve it. I don't deserve a lot of what I have, but that's God's grace to give us the things that we don't deserve, withhold the things that we do deserve, which is wrath, which is death, which is destruction because of our own sinful nature and our own sinful actions and rebellion against Him. So I take this as an opportunity to be grateful, and I want to conduct the business in such a way where it honors Him, glorifies Him, because He's the only reason why I have what I have. He's the only reason why I have the wife that I have a beautiful daughter, and a wife that supports what I'm doing. 100% supports it. So that's what this channel is going to be about. It's going to be the journey. It's going to be the day in and day out operations and work and picking up parts and interactions with customers and different people like that. I'm going to try to record as much as I can, but again, this GoPro does not have the best battery life, and it's also difficult to have this with me all the time. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos that get put out. I have a lot of content that's just been kind of sitting in the waiting. I have to go through and edit all of it and all this other stuff like that, which is probably not going to be all that fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and you guys can pick something up from it. And if anybody out there is aspiring to run a mobile mechanic business, please feel free to ask any questions. You can email me, you can leave a comment in the videos. I'm not going to get butthurt or upset or offended by anything that anybody has to say to me. I may or may not respond to it, but again, as long as you're not disrespecting or dishonoring the Lord, I probably won't say anything crazy to you, or get all bent out of shape. But one thing I don't condone is disrespect of the God I serve. And granted, He doesn't need me to stick up for Him, but Jesus said, if you deny me before men, I'll deny you before my Father. And I'm not going to deny Jesus ever. I don't care who it is. So take that to the bank. You know what I'm saying? So this introduction is getting very long, so thank y'all for sitting here and listening to me talk. I will catch y'all in the following videos that are to come, and y'all be blessed. Give your life to the Lord. Let Jesus be the King of your heart. Surrender to Him, because there's a way that seems right to a man, but in the end it leads to death, and I'm a living testament to that. All right. Peace.